I don't want them here. ASMR adopted. I don't want to other people. I do not want them officers in for Ashley. They're not like they were. Does not want to fight with adopted. I don't want them here trying to get laid. I do not want Gradivis and Ashley Leonard. They have playing. I like my dog. I don't want somebody making bratty kids. I don't want people on me. I want my emotion. I'm tired of these people. I want a bullet in my fucking head. That's not gonna be fucking. They're gonna hit you for because you won't fucking do what you're supposed to do. You fucking. You're fucking damage. As since bird child. I am almost 40 years old. I am done with the damage and brat kids from me. Gradivis from me.